We have the latest information now on a developing story. Reports that Yao Ming's foot injury could keep him off the court, not just for all of next season, but perhaps indefinitely.
As you recall, he was injured during the playoffs, the same foot that has plagued him before.
Our sports director, Randy McElvoy, is joining us live from Toyota Center. Randy, what are the Rockets saying about this?
Tell you what, they're not saying much at all, Bill and Dominique. Matter of fact, no comment from the Rockets organization. GM Daryl Morey down in the Rio Grande Valley today taking part in an organizational event. He is en route back to Houston. Yao's foot injury has actually worsened, according to reports now, since he suffered that slight fracture in Game 3 in that Lakers series during the playoffs. Good news is Yao is not feeling pain currently, but imagery results, which is a good indicator of the severity of an injury, show the fracture may have grown larger, and according to Yahoo Sports, which broke this news this afternoon, he could miss this season. And Rockets team Dr. Tom Clanton told Crowd.com today it could also be a career-threatening injury. One of Houston's top local pain management specialists, Dr. Pavan Grover, explained to us just a little while ago the most common course of treatment for Yao.
Put a boot on him first, immobilize him, get him off his weight, and wait 6 to 8 weeks and see if it, if it heals. If it doesn't, then they have to consider a surgical option. Now that's either going to be putting in more pins like he's had to stabilize that bone. So when you put pins in, it kind of strengthens it. Putting in a bone graft, or actually changing the structure of how the foot works. So instead of having an arch, they can make it more flatter so that when he lands on it, the stress point is not on that same area, but a different area.
And league sources tell me today the Rockets and Yao will get secondary throughout this week to evaluate. After that point, they'll determine which medical course of action to take. This is not good news at all for the Rockets organization and their big guy, Yao Ming. He is the face of this franchise. His future's in jeopardy right now, or at least for next season. Live from Toyota Center, Randy McElvoy, KPRC Local 2 Sports.
Thanks, Randy.